Hi, everyone. I'm wondering if this is working. I'm hoping that it is. This is my midterm PowerPoint exercise with the nursing Caritas process. And my name is Jamie Ross. So here is my title page. The Caritas that I picked was number 4. Which is developing and sustaining loving, trusting, caring relationships. The caring science, in that human caring honors the life force and inner dimensions of one's heart and soul, which can never be fully known from the outer view alone, but connects with the infinity of life itself, the infinite field of universal love. So we break that down a little bit more. Love is a hard emotion to feel with patients in nursing, but it can happen from time to time. Ultimately, I feel the most important aspect of developing and sustaining a loving relationship is loving yourself. Most important. Caritas process number 4 is about developing love. You can deliver love in a healthy way once you love yourself, especially as a nurse. That comes with confidence and having love at home and friends. All right, trust is another aspect of that Caritas 4. Trust is at the core of the patient experience. A trusting relationship is much easier in nursing than love. It takes very little to show that you are equipped and skilled enough to care for patients, but it also takes very little to lose trust from a patient as well. So trusting patients to trust you is pretty much your ultimate goal when you're in with a patient. You don't want them to be scared. You don't want them to not trust you. So this is a really important one. Here's 5 examples or ways to build trust, and 5 examples of ways to lose trust. So you can build trust with your patients if you introduce yourself. You call the patient by their name. They really do like that. That means that you took the extra mile to even look at their chart. Dress professionally. It shows that you want to be there. Show your patient that you're listening. Don't talk over them. Really sit and listen. Give them eye contact. Be honest and keep your word. Show respect for your patient. I'm big on, especially if they're older than me, then it's a sign of respect. To respect my elders. So I do that in nursing as well. 5 ways to lose trust. Be self-absorbed and show lack of empathy. We all go to work and have problems, but we can't bring it to the bedside. Be passive-aggressive with your care. If you're mad about something and you take it out on your patient, they will definitely not trust you. Show disregard to their well-being. Preoccupied to show them they are not important. And don't be rude or have an attitude with the patient. So you got to think of it as customer is always right. And you really, even if the patient is upset, mad, feels like crap, you really, you got to be there for them so that they can trust you. And the last one is caring. Caring is the easiest action to show a patient that only takes a second. Some examples of those are give a handshake or a hug to show respect. Putting your hand on someone else's hand just shows that they matter. It's just that gentle touch that can show that you care. show empathy or sympathy. So let them know that you care, or let them know that you've been through something similar, or that you understand what they're going through. Go out of your way to show that they are special. Definitely in nursing, you don't want to treat people like they're a number. You want to make each person feel like they're, unique, and make them comfortable. That's a big one as well. In my line of work, the Carnitas is extremely important. Patients choose to come see me. I'm in aesthetic nursing. So without developing a sustaining love, trusting, and caring relationships, I'd be out of business. So that makes this Carnitas the most important to me. And then here are my references for the 2 areas that I got the stuff about building trust. All right, well, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed my PowerPoint.